Hi, good afternoon and welcome back to Chef in My Kitchen episodes. First of all, before we start, I have to congratulate Liverpool on a great game they had yesterday, and quite rightly they deserve what they had at the end of it. And talking about Liverpool, we know that this week is the end of the football season, and we wish both teams, Liverpool again and Man City, all the very best with the last game, although City will win. So, and with this in mind, most of or all of the footballers, including a few of our clients, will be away on holidays, and reservedly they deserve it. And so what we're trying to do here today is put something for them to follow, and this is not just for the footballers, it's for everybody else, any athlete or even non-athlete to follow. Something simple, easy to do at home, and everything is available in shops to do, so there is no degrees that are required to do what we are showing you today. So what we're doing today is a white chicken. Chicken is very high in protein, and protein is a key component for maintaining and repairing muscles after exercise. So this what we are concentrating on today. So what we have here with us today, we have some nice organic chicken thighs of the skin. Why of the skin? There is a lot of fat in the skin, and we want to reduce that. Although it's nice and crispy, few people like it when it's nice and crispy, that's fine. But for this particular dish, and for whoever wants to reduce fat content in the food, it's better to take the skin off. So as I said, we've got a few organic chicken thighs in here. And what we do first of all is salt, some cracked black pepper in here, minced garlic, a dash of olive oil, a teaspoon also of turmeric all around. In here we've got some Ras-hanoot. Now this is a North African mixed spices. They are available almost on all the shops. Beautiful. There is a mix of a few, like I said, a few different spices. Some paprika, ground coriander. Pretty much that is that, and we'll give it a good stir. Now I have my griddle has been on for a few minutes, and we nicely put them in here. We just have to turn it over. As you can see, it's nice and brown. And we keep this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes, and it should be done by then. So what we have first of all is we've got aubergine. Big chunks is okay. Courgettes. Some yellow peppers, red onions. Now, I prefer red onion. It helps the body make and renew its cells. Coconut oil, a good amount of salt, a bit of black pepper, some more garlic in there. Now this should take about 2-3 minutes or so. Now while that is cooking, what we are doing is we're gonna make some hummus, some chickpeas, some olive oil, salt, pepper, some tahini. Now this tahini is sesame seeds paste, bit of water, most importantly lemon. No lemon, no hummus, no taste. See how easy it is to make it? 2 minutes, if it's that. Some paprika, Then we have some Greek yogurt, natural Greek yogurt, and what I will be adding to it is a bit of mint sauce. Beautiful. As you can see, there is hardly any fat or oil, and it is as simple as that. Hope you've enjoyed it, or enjoyed watching this. I'm sure some of you already had this dish before, so if you haven't, you know how to do it, and enjoy it.